In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI, offering quick tips to help you efficiently create a project and more. Asana has revolutionized the way we manage our tasks with its AI capabilities, making project management not just easier, but also smarter. Let's dive right in and explore how you can leverage this tool to optimize your workflow. First, we're starting with creating a new project using AI. So when you log into your Asana account, head over to the dashboard. You'll want to look for the plus new project button and give it a click. Now, instead of building your project from scratch, you have the option to use AI project templates, which is a real-time saver. All you need to do is type in what your project is about. For instance, you might input website launch plan or client onboarding checklist. The beauty of Asana AI lies in its ability to auto-generate tasks, milestones, and sections based on your project type. This means you can spend less time organizing and more time executing. Next, let's talk about adding tasks to your projects using AI Assist. Within any project, you'll find the option to add task. Once you do this, be sure to select AI Assist. Here, you simply write a short note about what you need, such as prepare marketing strategy for Q4. Asana AI gets to work and breaks that task down into clear, trackable subtasks, complete with deadlines. This ensures that even the most complex objectives are broken down into manageable pieces, helping you keep track of progress by setting clear goals. Additionally, you can enhance your task management by having Asana AI reorder your tasks. This feature is invaluable for prioritizing your workload. Suppose you want to plan your day or week more effectively. You could ask Asana AI to show you the most important tasks by saying something like, "Show me what's most important today." The AI then reorders your task based on priority, urgency, or dependencies, making your daily planning seamless and efficient. Using Asana AI is not just about individual efficiency, it's about shaping team dynamics as well. Encouraging your team to use these AI-driven tools can lead to more synchronized operations and project success. Whether it's about launching a new product or preparing for a crucial client meeting, Asana AI helps ensure that you and your team are not just working harder, but smarter. In summary, Asana AI helps streamline the process of setting up projects, adding and prioritizing tasks. It's an excellent tool that can adapt to your unique needs, transforming your project management experience. These features can shave hours off your organizing time, giving you more room to focus on what really matters, executing your project successfully. So go ahead, start a new project, add tasks with AI Assist, and let the AI prioritize your tasks, making project management an intuitive and efficient process.